Good morning, students. Good morning. How is it today? Today, in GK class, we will study about shapes. हम लोग पिछले क्लास में भी कुछ शेप्स देखे थे हम लोग, याद है? वो जो कुछ रीडर्स हैं, थे ना रीडर्स? हाँ, ठीक है, उन्हीं को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे. यस, यस. व्हाट? हाँ, ये वाला कंप्लीट करा देंगे. ओके. After this page number, we will, after completing this two or three steps remaining, we will do revision. Okay. We will study what shape and eye. What shape and eye. लास्ट क्लास में जो हम लोग देख रहे थे वो यही था कि जो हम लोग शेप पढ़ रहे हैं, sit down, why, sit down. जो हम लोग पढ़े थे फर्स्ट, और एक तरह से इसका भी हम लोग एक तरह का रिवीजन कर लेते हैं, है ना? फर्स्ट रीजन था व्हाट, सॉरी, फर्स्ट माय साइड्स आर 3. माय साइड्स आर 3. आई एम क्लोज्ड नॉट फ्री. मतलब मेरे साइड 3 हैं, मेरे साइड 3 हैं. Sit down. My sides are 3, but I am closed. कैसे है? Closed है, not free. मतलब free नहीं है. अगर एक ऐसे हम बनाते, फिर एक ऐसे बनाते और एक ऐसे, क्या ये ट्रायंगल होता? नहीं होता. तो so this shape is telling us that I am I am the one who has 3 sides. I am the one who has 3 sides. Okay, but I am closed, not free. मतलब मेरे 3 sides तो है ही, लेकिन ये 3 sides क्या है? आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, है ना? फ्री नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? ट्रायंगल. ओके, ये फर्स्ट था हमारा. सेकेंड से भी टेल यू अबाउट इटसेल्फ. 4 sides of mind. 4 sides of mind, all equal and fine. मेरे कितने साइड्स हैं? 4. It is telling that it has 4 sides. Okay, and obviously it is closed, not open or free. 4 sides of mind, and all the sides have equal length. All sides have equal length. Sit down and fine. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, all the sides of the shape are equal. Which shape it is? Square. What are you doing? Stop doing next exercise. Okay, now we will see the third. Are the four sides of me? Third step is telling us now. Third step is telling us four sides. All the four sides of me, only two are equal to 16. Why are you looking back? Where is the GK book? Out of four sides to me, only two are equal to C. It means this shape has also four sides, but they all are not equal. है ना? इस ये जो शेप है, ये भी क्या है? इसके भी फोर साइड्स हैं, लेकिन सभी आपस में इक्वल नहीं है, है ना? ये शेप और ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल है, और ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल है. ठीक है? ये क्या हो गया? रेक्टेंगल. Okay? Any problem? Four. The fourth shape is telling about itself that with no sides there. With no sides there. मतलब इस शेप के कोई साइड है ही नहीं. This shape has no inside. I am round everywhere. It is telling that I am the type of the shape in which I am round everywhere. It means at every point it is round. Okay, so it is a circle. Okay. Any confusion? Okay. While looking back, see properly. Okay. Now we will see the fourth step or fifth step. It is saying that my sides are equal and 6. My sides are equal and 6. It means this shape this means it has 6 sides. It has 6 sides, and all the sides are equal to each other. Okay, all sides are equals. Okay, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You can draw it more correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Which figure it will be? Hexagon, no, not hexagon. Hexagon. It is saying my sides are equal and 6. Okay, so not be enough fix. मतलब आप कोई कंफ्यूजन में मत रहिए, है ना? My height is hexagon. Hexagon. Okay. Any problem? Last figure I will see. It is very special because it is of sit down. Sit down. Try to maintain discipline in the class. Learning only the answer will not help all of you. Okay. केवल आंसर आप याद कर लो, बुक भर लो जीके की, इससे आपका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं है ना। जीके को पढ़ने का मतलब है कि आप उसके चीजों को समझिए भी। It would have been very easy for me also that I can come to the class and write all the answers. क्या ये आसान नहीं होगा? आसान काम होगा ना? But it will not work. It will not develop your knowledge or understanding. Your knowledge or understanding will only develop when you try to understand the fundamental thing that the question is asking to you. Okay? See here. See, now all the shapes that we are studying, there are two dimensions or one dimension. Especially two dimensions, I would say. Okay, triangles, जैसा कोई triangle बनाते थे, तो उसमें length और breadth होते थे ना? है ना? एक प्लेन में होता था, जैसे ब्लैक बोर्ड है, तो ये इसका breadth हो गया, इधर length हो गया ना? लेकिन अब हम जो फिगर पढ़ने जाने हैं उसमें लेंथ भी होगा, ब्रेड्थ भी होगा और क्या होगा? हाइट भी होगा। Any problem? Okay. It is saying that I am writing here with my or take out your copy and draw it in your रखा को भी निकालिए और फिर इस फिगर को ड्रॉ भी कीजिए और इस चीज को लिखिएगा भी, ये आपको मैथ में मदद करेगा। ओके, विथ माय 6 sides, with my 6 sides, with my 6 sides are rectangular and flat. Can you guess my name with that? No one will talk to each other. Yes. With my 6 sides all rectangular and flat. Can you guess my name with that? No. See here. What it is saying? With my six sides, all rectangular and flat. जो हेक्सागोन था हमारा जो शेप, उसके भी तो 6 साइड थे ना? लेकिन वो क्या थे? 2 डायमेंशन में थे। केवल उनमें लेंथ और ब्रेथ था। बैठ जाओ, sit down. Okay, but here it has length, breadth and height. इस शेप के पास लेंथ भी है, ब्रेथ भी है, हाइट भी है ना? देखिए ओके। जगदीश यही है ना? Now, count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. With my 6 sides, it means 1. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, here should be faces. In a book, it is written side, but I think no. Sit down. What is happening? Okay. So which shape it is? Cube or cuboid? No, we don't. No one will go. Okay? See here. It is not cube. It is cuboid. Why? Because all the faces or the sides are not equal. See here. This side is equal, but this is not equal. This is equal, but this and this are equal. But okay, so all its sides are not equal. So it is cuboid. Okay? Note it. Sit down. Now we will do division of another chapter, and it is of language and literature, page number 3. Language and literature. What? I am explaining it. See here. Division. Page number 3. All close your books. All close your books and take out your rough copy. Follow this page number 4. Page number 4. Okay. This side. Put your right side and put it here. See here. Here are some. I am going to explain it. Language and literature. It means the type of words that we use. In which language I am talking? In which language I am talking? English, yes. And sometimes we use also Hindi. Okay. So, in using language, there are some fundamental things. Okay. And this is and in this chapter we will talk about one such thing, and it is simile. What is simile? Okay. What is simile? Can anyone tell me what is simile? Yes. Tell me. Yes. What is simile? I am not asking about that shape. See here. The same thing I was telling you few minutes back, that if you are trying to only fill the answers in your book without understanding the basics, you will not be able to answer. Okay? Focus on the board. Don't look here and there. Okay? See here. Simile is a type of expression in which we compare one thing from the characteristics of another. Okay. For example, if we take or if we say that I am brave as a lion, I am brave as a lion, it means I am comparing my courage or my behavior with the behavior of lion. Okay, so simile tells us so that how to compare this type of expressions with the other. Okay, so we can if we go into the definition, we can say that it is an expression that describes a thing by comparing it with one another. Okay, we can say that it is an expression. It is an expression that describes a thing by comparing it with another. Okay, अब समझ में ना सिमली जो है वो क्या है, किसी भी व्यक्ति के या किसी भी चीज के गुणों को जब हम लोग दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर करके तुलना करते हुए जब उस चीज को बताते हैं, उसके गुणों को बताते हैं, तो वहां हम लोग उस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन होते हैं, उनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, सिमली. Okay, जैसे for example, that was just I have said that I am brave as a lion. It means I am telling or I am comparing my expressions or I am comparing my behavior with the behavior of lion. Okay, so here all have written this. Okay, see here. Only those students will answer to which I will ask. Okay? Sit correct. See the state. First is as light as light as you can stand up. What there will be? Yes. What it will be? Figure. फिगर क्यों? मतलब कोई चीज इतनी हल्की है, the object is so light to lift that like a figure. मतलब पग से भी ज्यादा, मतलब पग के समान वो हल्की है ना, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? As light as a figure. Okay. As light as you stand up. What there will be? As wide as. Yes. You all would have seen snow. 1 minute. You all would have seen snow. Isn't it fully white? So here, this expression is comparing the color of one object with snow. Okay, and it is snow. So today, you all would learn. Here is homework. What it is? Learn page number 4, 5. 4 or 5. In 5 it is homogeneous. Okay? Okay? I will ask. Okay? Tomorrow. Okay. Good afternoon to all.